Hello, I'm Brad Exton with FASS Fuel Systems, and again, we've been listening to you out there. We've been out visiting our dealers, seeing people at shows and things like that. One of the requests that we've had is to make it a lot easier for you to hook two heaters up, one heater probe here, one fuel heater probe here, to one wire harness with one relay. So instead of having to solder these together and all that, do the wiring, we have a plug and play right here. You just plug this into the main harness, plug it in here, and you're off and rolling. So this is a great option for in the winter if you're in extreme cold and you want to keep operating without putting additives in. Here you go. It's a nice simple answer. It's a HKS 1001. Now if you watch the video at the end of this, we're going to be showing you our Freightliner from last year. And what spurred that video is that I had my Duramax at the airport. It was extremely cold, to start it up, I bumped the key, fuel pressure went up to 9-10 psi, but it would start and die, start and die. I was like, what's going on? Well, we got it running. We found out what was happening is that the cascade valve wasn't opening up. So I said, let's put another heater in here and see if that'll heat it up. Like we let it bake on the Freightliner and we showed that. Let's let it heat up and see if it puts enough warm fuel up to the cascade valve to open it up. I didn't think it was going to work, but we tried it and it worked a multiple of times. So we know that this works and makes a wicked heater. So I appreciate your support. Have a blessed day.